Good morning, children. Today we are going to do workbook exercise of the poem Havata. We had learned about a young red Indian boy whose name was Havata. So we'll start with the exercise. Read the extracts given below and answer the questions that follow. Learned their names and all their secrets. Learn their names and all their secrets. How the beavers built their lodges. Where the squirrel hid their acorns. How the radians run so swiftly. Why the rabbit was so tamed. Now this was the question of Havata. He was thinking, why all this happens. So we will see to the now questions which are given below. What did Havata learn? What did Havata learn? Havata learned birds and animals' names and all their secrets. What did Havata learn? He learned about the birds and animals' names and all their secrets. Why he learned? Because he used to stay between birds and animals. So he slowly came to know about their languages and about the secrets also. Like this way, Havata learned the secrets of birds and animals. Second, where did the beavers live? Where did the beavers live? Answer, beaver lived in their lodges. See, here you can see beavers build their lodges. So where did beavers live? Beaver lives in their lodges. What did the squirrels hide? What did the squirrels hide? Squirrels hid their acorns. What did squirrel hid? The squirrel hid their acorns. Synonyms of swiftly is sluggishly, quickly, racingly, slowly. So what is the correct answer? It is quickly. Swiftly means very fast. It is quickly. Antonyms of tamed is. Antonyms of tamed is. So fearless, humble, weak, coward. What is the correct answer? It is fearless. Tamed means fearless. Short answers. Answer the following questions briefly after reading the poem. What you have to do? Answer the following questions briefly after reading the poem. What was the name of the young boy? What was the name of the young boy? The name of the young boy was Havata. What was the name of the young boy? The name of the young boy was Havata. Right. So what was the name of the young boy? The young boy name was Havata. Now we'll go to the next exercise. What did Nokomis teach him? Teach him means Nokomis ने किसको पढ़ाया? तो Havata को. So the answer is Nokomis taught him about the stars, trees, insects and birds, animals and many other things. What did Nokomis taught Havata? She taught about the stars, about the trees, insects, birds, animals and many other things. What could the young boy do when he grew up? What could? When Havata will grow up, what could he do? So when he grew up, he loved them. When he grew up, he loved them all and he could talk to birds and animals. What happened? When Havata grew up, he talked with the birds and animals and he loved them also. How did he talk? Because of his grandmother Nokomis, who taught him about the stars, trees, insects, birds, animals, and many other things. Now, next question. What did the young boy learn about the animals? What did the young boy learn about the animals? The young boy learned their names and all their secrets. What did the young boy learn about their names and secrets? What qualities did the reindeer and the rabbit possess? What qualities did the reindeer and the rabbit possess? So what is the answer? Reindeer can run so swiftly. Swiftly means very quickly, very fast. And rabbit was so tamed. Tamed means fearless. That is the difference between reindeer and rabbit. Next question. Suggest another title for the poem Havata. Now can you tell me any other title? Havata is the name of the title of the poem. If you feel any other better name than Havata, can you help me out? Yes, the answer is Secrets of Birds and Animals. This title can also do. Next. Who are Havata's chickens and his brothers? So, birds are Havata's chickens and animals are his brothers. Remember in the poem Havata's chicken who were called, birds were called, and animals were called his brothers. Now complete the following table about what the following animals did in the poem. What we have to do? See, a table is given. In left hand side name of the animals are given. राइट हैंड साइड व्हाट द एनिमल्स डिड, एनिमल्स क्या करते थे वो हमें लिखना है. और यहाँ पे एनिमल्स के नाम तो ऑलरेडी दिए गए हैं, हमें सिर्फ पोएम में से ढूंढ निकालना है कि ये एनिमल्स क्या क्या करते थे. द फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? बीवर. सो बीवर लिव्ड इन लॉजेस. स्क्विरल ने क्या किया? हाइड देयर एकॉर्न्स. रेनडियर ran swiftly and rabbit is tamed. Next, write one sentence about each of the following with reference to the poem. आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे नाम दिए गए हैं, हमें एक एक सेंटेंस उसके बारे में, उनके बारे में हमें बताना है, हमें लिखना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? लिटिल हवाता. सो लिटिल हवाता learnt many things. Little Havata learned many things. We have written about him like this. Next is birds. So what will you write? Birds are chirping on the tree. Beavers build their lodges. Summer season is very hot season. Winter season is very cool season. Then last, rabbit is tamed animal. What is rabbit? Rabbit is tamed animal. Again we will read. Little Havata learnt many things. Birds are chirping on the tree. Beavers build their lodges. Then summer season is very hot season. Winter season is very cool season. Rabbit is very tamed. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Match the following words in column A in their meanings in column B. See, column A we have name of the birds, and in the column B we have their meanings. We have to match the following words we have in column A words, and column B we have their meanings. Let us see. Chalo. Secret. What is the first one? First one is secret in column A. So column B, what is the answer? The answer to secret is what? B number 1B. You can see it is written one number over here. Known about only people and kept hidden from others. So one number is B. Now what is the second? Wigwam. Wigwam is what? A dwelling with a round or pointed roof. A dwelling with a round or pointed roof. Then what is the next? Beast. So beast is what? An animal. Beast is an animal. Then beaver. Beaver is what? Beaver is a North American animal with thick fur and a wide flat tail. Beaver is a name of an animal. So it is a North American animal. It is a North American animal. Then lodge. Lodge is what? It is a home. Lodge is a home. Then acorn. Acorn is the nut of an oak tree. The last is what? Timid. So timid means what? Not having courage or confidence. Timid is not having courage or confidence. But over here you can see 1 to 7 is in column A. In column B 1 to 7 numbers are given of that answers. Okay children. Now I'll go to the next exercise. Write antonyms of the following. What we have to do? We have to write antonyms of the following. So top, bottom, hide, revel, build, destroy, swift, slow. Now top means to go to the top level and bottom means to go to the down level. Then hide. Hide means छुप जाना. Reveal means to show where you are. Then build. Build यानी बनाना. And then destroy means to ख़त्म करना. Now build means what? See, if you go on the beaches, you make a sand castle, you make a sand house, and the waves of the river or the sea come, so it destroys away your everything. Then swift. Swift means to run very quickly without making a sound. And slow means to walk slowly. The tortoise, how it walks slowly, 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 right? And rabbit walks very swiftly. Now next, you have read about few animals in the poem. Now write where they live. हमने पोएम में बहुत सारे एनिमल्स के बारे में पढ़ा है. अभी हमें बताना है कि उनका घर कौन से है, लोग कहाँ पे रहते हैं. सो फर्स्ट, birds live in nest. Then second, beavers live in lodges. Third, rabbits live in burrows. Right? Now next, homophones are words with similar sounds. Homophones are words with similar sounds but different meanings or spellings. Sounds जो है वो सेम है लेकिन उसका जो मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग है थोड़ा हटके है, थोड़ा अलग है. Read the following words given below and write at least one homophone for each of the following. हमें क्या करना है? हमें रीड करने हैं ये वर्ड्स जो दिए हैं और फिर एटलीस्ट एक होमोफोन हमें लिखना है. लेट अस सी. हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा. ALL ऑल. राइट. नाउ उसका होमोफोन हमने क्या लिखा है? AWL ऑल. दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रोनाउंसिएशन ALL ऑल होता है और AWL का भी क्या होता है? ऑल. नाउ नेक्स्ट, DEER डियर. DEER डियर. डियर इज द नेम ऑफ एन एनिमल. उसका होमोफोन हमने क्या लिखा है? DEAR डियर. व्हेन यू राइट अ लेटर और व्हेन यू कॉल समवन तो डियर वो यूज़ होता है वर्ड फॉर क्लोज बाय. नेक्स्ट, MEET मीट. मीट यानी मुलाकात लेना. MEAT मीट. मीट इज एन फ्लैश ऑफ एन एनिमल. देन there, THEIR there. THERE there. So this pronunciation of there is same and there is also same. Then last, BUILD build. BILLED build. अभी ये जो build है BUILD build मतलब घर बनाना, हम कुछ बनाते हैं. और BILLED, बिल्ड यानी क्या कि घर का बिल है, इलेक्ट्रिक बिल इज़ देयर, गैस बिल इज़ देयर, और ग्रोसरी बिल व्हेन यू गो फॉर शॉपिंग in big bazaar or D-Mart. So from there you will get a bill. So that is also billed only. So once again we will read all the homophones. All, dear, meet, there, build. Now next exercise. Using the words given in the box, make your own sentences. Now you can see over here box is given. आपको क्या करना है, आपको वो words के sentences अपने आप बनाने हैं. Right? We'll read the words first. Bird, beast, build, learn, teamed. Bird, beast, build, learn, teamed. One number. Bird is on the tree. Next, Havata learned beast languages and secrets. What did Havata learn? Beast languages and secrets. Havata learned birds languages. What did Havata learn? Birds languages. Beavers built their lodges. What did beavers did? Build their lodges. Rabbit is tamed animal. See, you can see over here all the words are used. First is what? Bird. So for bird, what we made sentence? Bird is on the tree. Then beast. So we made with Havata. Havata learnt beast languages and secrets. Then what is built? So beavers built their lodges. Then the next is what? Learn. So Havata learnt birds languages, and the last one is what? Tamed. What is the last one? Tamed. So rabbit is a tamed animal. So you can see, children, all those bracket words are used in the sentences. So dear children, complete this exercise in your English workbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.